Okay. So now go to your chapter. Hope the screen is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, suppose I want to. These are the term one, term two chapters you are giving,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Go down, sir.
Okay. Let's go to this
Yeah,
chapter.
lesson number 20. Yeah. Lesson number
Lesson
18.
18 ले लो. Let me
18.
check.
यहाँ
Wait.
टाइप किया है.
Just copy paste this.
And
Copy this and keep it ready. Okay. So now go to edit settings. So, sorry. Go click on a chapter, any chapter. Okay. Go to settings. Click on more. Then click on categories. Then go to category and by default it is showing there are 6 questions under this. Okay. Click on top Marathi and paste the lesson name. So if you want the term 2, let it be term 2. Otherwise, you can just remove the term 2 and just keep the lesson number and lesson name. It's up to you how you're going to manage. Okay, now just click on add. That's it. It's added here. Similarly, you want to have one more topic. One more topic if you want to take it. Suppose lesson number 17 also you want to take. Just copy this. Okay, I'm in 18 only now. Let's go to add more categories. Okay, so click here, go to top Marathi. Now you can see that category is showing. You take this copy and remove this term 2 also from here. 17, chapter number 17. Just click on add category. So now suppose I'll just come back now. Now you can see. So suppose if you want to add the questions here in this quiz, okay, from both the chapters. That's the idea. I think you have done it already. Okay. So from both the chapters, quiz. Just I'll add one quiz. Edit the quiz. Just click on this. Edit the quiz. So now if you go to the add questions, question bank, and then you have default question from this chapter. So now you can see the chapter 17 also ready. Okay. So chapter 18 also ready. If you have the question, that questions also will display here. Hope I'm clear.
For me, it is advanced step.
Okay. No problem. Don't worry about it. Later we'll see. Shagufta madam, Sejal madam, it's clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you can
सर
create
जो
like
हमने
this.
चैप्टर नंबर जो हमें दिया है वहाँ पर आप सोर्स में जाएंगे कैटेगरी में वहाँ पर मैंने बनाया है एनुअल मॉक टेस्ट फॉर प्रैक्टिस मराठी में सबसे ऊपर जाएंगे फर्स्ट लाइन पे लिखिएगा यहाँ पर मुझे दोनों चैप्टर डालना है लेसन नंबर 18 और लेसन नंबर जो मैंने आपको
आ जाएंगे अभी आप ये चैप्टर में गए एंड देन यू जस्ट गो टू क्रिएट द क्वेश्चंस नाउ सो इट विल बी अवेलेबल now it will be available everywhere wherever you go it will be available everywhere now
स्क्रीन चली गई सर आपके वो
एक मिनट में आ गया ना अभी so we have created the chapter see under this annual examination I want to have the access of all the chapters whichever the categories you have okay so go to quiz now edit the quiz so go to add questions question bank now you can see that under this you have all the chapters here 17 18
ओके सर
okay सिंपल है मैडम एक बार आप कर लेंगे तो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट्स नॉट टफ I have done it for all the other chapters actually. See, class 4, if I go to the mathematics, you can see I have added all the categories now. I have added almost all the chapters, whatever the chapters are there, I have added here. Now you can see everything is added here now. So I have not done it for the other thing. Hindi, I think I have done it.
yes done
So wherever I have confusion, I have just left it as it is. I have not done it. But otherwise, you can see most of the major subjects I have done it already, except third languages. Similarly, if you go to English also, I think English का नहीं किया हूँ मैं because यहाँ पे I don't know like which are the chapters and supplement reading ये सब दिया है. So if you can check the science, environmental studies, yes, it is done. I have added that part. See, if you go to the category, you can see that everything is added here. It's one-time job. Once it is done, so within no time we can shift the question from one place to another place.
Sir, could you please check class 5 Kannada?
Class 5 Kannada. Okay. Yes, chapters are there. So only one chapter. You can see we have added.
No, actually, I have added term 2 lessons, sir. This Swami Vivekananda. Yes, I have added that also.
Yes, the contents are there. Videos also there.
Is it visible to students, sir? I have given access.
Yeah, let me check the participant. Yes, it is visible to the student. 5A, C, okay, J. Yes, it is visible to students now.
Okay.
But nobody has access so far.
Yeah, just now. Today only I did this.
Start doing it. Once you start for one chapter, get if you're comfortable with one chapter, the same thing, same story we have to repeat for all the other chapters. Okay. Get comfortable adding in one chapter. Once you are done with one chapter, nothing. Within no time, check. Within 2 minutes, you can prepare your contents. So only thing, the basic we need to understand here is we should have the content ready, the PPT. We should have the video if you have video is ready, and then the question bank you can keep it ready. So slowly we can add the content first. Start disseminating one way. Start resources, giving all the resources to the student, and slowly we can add the questions. Slowly it will take time, I know. Slowly you can add the other things. So first,
to add questions in third language, we need to use Google Input Tool something.
Actually,
we have to copy and paste the questions. Right?
Copy and paste you have to do. Because bulk it is not happening in the third language. That is major disadvantage here.
Yeah.
Okay, because it is not taking from the MS Word. The MS Word file also I need to convert into text file. The text file which will not support for third languages.
Yes.
I'm just checking the other tools. Slowly, I'm trying to explore many things. I'll keep on adding the things. Now, the third language issue was there, so that also resolved. Okay, slowly the things are improving, so it will improve day by day. It will improve, inshallah. So you can start working on the basic things. Let's see what best we can do.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall we conclude now? Any more questions from anybody?
Jazakallah khairan, sir. Shukran.
Okay. Thank you all. I will share this recording, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay.